The 2004 BMW X3. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, a roof rack, and air conditioning. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.